Hey Aquanuts, this is Q&A, part 1. Are heat pumps better than heaters? Well, the answer really depends. Heat pumps can only heat the pool about 20 degrees above the ambient air temperature. That just means how hot or cold it is outside. Heat pumps cannot heat the pool when the ambient air temperature is below 55 degrees outside. So which one is right for you? A heat pump or a gas-powered heater? That really all depends on what you're trying to accomplish by heating your pool. And what I mean by that is, are you trying to increase your swim season by about a month on the beginning and a month on the end of it? Are you trying to heat your pool year-round? Are you trying to maintain a specific temperature throughout your swim season? What are you trying to accomplish? I have a vinyl liner pool. What pattern should I get? The answer is, I don't have a clue. It's your pool. You're gonna need to figure out what pattern you're gonna be best happy with. If you have really some concerns or you can't make up your mind, ask someone that's really good at design. Are UV systems good for metal wall above ground pools? The answer is absolutely. How UV systems like this one works is the water passes through this tube, and as it does so, the UV light sanitizes the water that goes through it. Therefore, there's absolutely no corrosion that happens as the water enters your above ground metal wall pool. So I recommend getting a UV system for any pool, especially if it's a commercial pool, because you really need a lot of extra help when you have a super high bather load. If you have more questions about this, please get in contact with us and we'd be happy to answer those. UV systems for the win. Next question I got is, why are pools in Florida covered? And the only thing that I can think of is right now, as of the recording of this video, coronavirus might have these pools closed. But other than that, I cannot think of any reason why a pool would be closed in Florida. It's Florida. You can swim year-round. Last question in this particular series of Q&A is, are beaches better than pools? Well, I really can't answer that. That is going to be a personal preference. If you live far inland and don't have access to a beach, then yes, a pool is absolutely going to be better. However, if you live close to the beach, you're going to have to decide. I like them both. Thank you for watching part 1 of our Q&A session with Master Pool Technician, myself, Derek Todd. Please subscribe for part 2, and I'll see you next time.